Flying fish are a fascinating group of marine fish that belong to the family Exocotidae. Here are a few interesting facts about these remarkable creatures. 1. Gliding. Not flying, they glide above the water's surface using enlarged wing-like fins. Reaching speeds of about 35 miles per hour, they resemble underwater rocket launchers. 2. Species diversity. There are about 70 species of flying fish. 3. Wing-like fins. Flying fish have large pectoral fins that resemble the wings of a bird. 4. Launching technique. To initiate their glide, flying fish rapidly flap their tail fins to build up speed in the water. Once they reach the surface, they leap out and spread their pectoral fins to catch the air and glide. 5. Size. Flying fish are relatively small, with most species measuring between 10 to 30 centimeters, 4 to 12 inches, in length. 6. Bioluminescence. Some species of flying fish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce light. This is thought to be another defense mechanism, as the light produced can confuse or distract predators.